Woo! Whoa! Huh? Whoa! Hey, look! It's you! Whoa! Hey, look! It's me! Mr. Weirdbeard! Hey! I got a question for you. Do you like animals? You do? Great! Me too! And do you think you know your animal sounds? Well, let's find out! Let's see if I can find an animal in my beard and see if you know what sound that animal makes. Are you ready? Let's go! Whoa! Hey, look! It's a duck!
Duck.
Do you know what sound a duck makes? Listen to these two sounds and see if you know which one is the duck. Let's listen. Ooh, ooh. Is that the sound a duck makes? Or is it this one?
Quack. Quack.
Which sound is it? Let's listen again. Is it sound number one? Ooh, ooh. Or is it sound number two?
Quack. Quack.
Number one? Ooh. Or number two?
Quack.
What do you think? Sound number two? Whoa, that's right! You got it!
Quack.
Way to go! You really do know your animal sounds. Okay, that's it for today. I hope to see you back again here real soon. Okay, bye! Okay, bye!